Hey everybody, my name is Samantha, and this is my YouTube video summary assignment for music appreciation. I had week 5, which was Giuseppe Verdi. Let's get started. Giuseppe Verdi lived from 1813 to 1901. Italian opera is what he is known for. He was born in Italy. He had tragic deaths of his daughter, son, and wife over a 2-year span. He stopped composing music for several months after this. His favorite literary source was Shakespeare. He was a consummate master of 19th century Italian opera. Every town in Italy has a street named after him, regardless of how small the town was. His operas are still the most frequently performed around the world, and his music was seen as an advocate for political independence for Italy. Rigoletto. This is one of Verdi's more commonly known pieces, based on the play by Victor Hugo. Listening to this makes me feel like I'm sitting in Olive Garden about to get some pasta. Then we have Requiem Mass. Requiem Mass features 2 different chants that deal with the Last Judgment. The first piece, Dies Irae, means the Day of Wrath. This is reminding listeners of the transience of life on earth. I'll have a video of this piece. Then, on the right, is Libera Me, Deliver Me, O Lord. This piece is a prayer recited over the coffin, asking for mercy upon the deceased at the Last Judgment. As you listen, you will notice that this piece is much more quiet and has more of a simple sound to it. So that is Requiem Mass. So this piece was controversial for the Catholic Church for 3 reasons. 1, there was insufficient religious commitment on his part. 2, it had excessive theatricality, and what that means is it was kind of exaggerated or dramatic. 3, original prayers were corrupted by being performed outside of the church. Lastly, we're going to talk about Defiant Requiem. So this here has been made into a movie. This is a piece written by Verdi, and when the Holocaust occurred, many of the Jewish people in the Nazi concentration camps found this to be a sense of freedom. These inmates fought back with art and music, and would sing Verdi's music as a source of comfort. And you can see this specific video is very long, but we're just gonna put a little piece of it. I just jumped ahead a little bit so you guys can hear some of this music.
That's what you'll see when the program begins. The Massed Oregon Symphony in Portland.
And there's actually a whole movie about that, so if you're really interested, you can definitely watch that movie. So, I wanted to thank you guys for watching. If you have any further questions, I got my information out of this textbook we're using for the class. Chapter 27, we have Verdi, an Italian romantic opera. And then also, you can just contact me if you have any other questions. Thanks, guys.